It's time to troll some TikTok again, just because why not? Greetings once again, my fellow friends of YouTube. It's your boy Psymo coming at you again with another TikTok reaction video. As I keep saying, TikTok is literally just the funniest place right now, and it's kind of reminiscent of the Vine days. And if you're not old enough to remember Vine, then why are you watching this old guy? But Vine was basically the TikTok of 2015. I don't know, I can't remember. That seems like an eternity ago. But Vine was an app that was hugely successful, and then one day they turned around and said, nope, no more, nope, and killed it. And then a few years later, TikTok arrived, which essentially is just Vine. But anyway, it's time to react to some more TikTok videos. Some will be funny, some will be cringy, most of it's gonna be odd. Without further ado, let's jump on in and watch some TikTok bilge. Oh my god, my poor hearing. I mean, these rubber chickens are absolutely everywhere at the moment, but who was sat in a room one day and thought, do you know what I'm gonna do? I am going to go and have a rubber chicken sing to Madonna's Like a Virgin.
You'll always be the love of my life. The love of my life. You'll always be the one that I want.
Okay. I am old. When I was in my teenage years, or rather 17, old enough to drive a vehicle, this was literally one of the must-have cars of its time, and you couldn't afford one for love nor money because they were stupid money back then, and they're even more stupid money now. This is a good old Ford Fiesta XR2, and they went like stink. I had a friend of mine who owned one, and he picked me up and took me for a ride in it one day, and oh my god. Back then, this is the ultimate hot hatch. You had your Vauxhall Novas, and you had your Golfs and everything else, but the XR2 was the daddy. If you had one, you were literally... Can I say that? Can I say that? No, probably not. You were very popular with the female community. What? I need to watch that again. They are just stupid clever. Just how do they mimic that sound? Just...
You fuck off. 滚开滚开你滚开
Brilliant. If you've ever wanted to tell somebody in Chinese to disappear, then that is the way in which to do it. Just what I always wanted to know. And the funniest thing is, like most curse words from other languages, you can teach me how to ask for things like, where is the nearest taxi? Or where is the nearest train station? Or how do I get to the toilet? I won't remember any of it. But yet I will remember gun kai, and that will stick with me now for the rest of my living years, which probably won't be long.
How it feels to chew 5 gum. Stimulate your senses. How it feels.
Oh my god. Hang on, that kid's like 12. Is that what they get up to when they get invited to these underage nightclub sessions that they do? I don't know, that we had them in our town. The local nightclub used to just have this random day where children would go into the nightclub, and there would be dancing, and there would be pretty much everything that comes with going to a nightclub, apart from the alcohol. And clearly there's a lot more that goes on in these clubs these days. I mean, Christ, look at this kid. He's baked.
Hey guys, Bear Grylls here, and just to say, join me on TikTok.
Whoa, what's happened to Bear Grylls? Holy shit. I mean, the last time I saw him, he looked like Benedict Cumberbatch. Now you look at him, he's suddenly aged. Is that a filter? That looks like a filter. That's not real. Bear Grylls, you're pulling the wool over everyone's eyes. There's no way on this earth he's that old.
Have a great day.
Jeez, I'm gonna have a better day than you. You look like you're about to die. Oh, whoa. Hold tight, my selector. My father had that exact unit and he loved it. He went out, he spent loads of money on it, and it was in my mum and dad's living room for many, 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 many years. And then one day it disappeared and nobody had any idea where it went. It turns out my mother threw it away. Needless to say, my father was pissed. I mean, it was a great unit, and just look how awesome that looks now. Mute that, because otherwise I'm going to get demonetized. But my God. Jeez. Oh, he didn't have the 5 disc changer, though.
Say something loud.
I think I've seen a video similar to this. It's probably the same guy, but he's said quite a few strange words into one of these lightsabers with hilarious results.
Including Jake the Snake Roberts, the Barbarian, the Model Rick Martel, the Berserker, Rowdy Roddy Piper, Hacksaw Jim Duggan.
Holy shit. I don't know about anybody else. I mean, the demographic of my channel is around the same age as me, if not slightly younger. And it's probably a good thing. But how many feels is this bringing back right now? All of a sudden, I'm a kid sat in the living room looking at my dad's hi-fi that my mother later threw out. And just, I'm a child. This is amazing. I mean, look at Hacksaw Jim Duggan. I don't remember him ever looking that crazy.
Nasty Boy Sags, Repo Man, Sergeant Slaughter.
Whoa, Sergeant Slaughter.
Real World Champion Ric Flair, the Macho Man.
The Macho Man, Randy Savage. What an absolute legend. Crazy, but an absolute legend.
The British Bulldog, Davey Boy Smith.
Bulldog.
The $1 Million Man, Ted.
What happened to British Bulldog? What happened to the British Bulldog? Oh, God. Bulldog. Oh, what? No way. He died? Whoa, okay. He died at the age of 39, shortly before exiting WWE, or WWF as I remember it. What? Oh, the grammar on this is shot to pieces. I thought I had issues speaking. The British Bulldog suffered a massive heart attack on May 18, 2002 and died at just 38 years of age. My God, that's actually really, really tragic. Wow. There you go.
The Undertaker.
Oh. And I don't know if any of you have watched any of the recent interviews with the guy who played The Undertaker. I can't remember his name. For all of this time that he has been The Undertaker, he's not been on anything. And whenever he is literally in the persona of The Undertaker and does all the weird rolling eye things and stuff. And he's very recently, because he's now left the WWE or whatever it is, he is now doing lots of interviews and he is the nicest guy. It's just insane. For years and years and years, The Undertaker has just been this feared guy. And then the moment that The Undertaker is no more, we start to see the guy who played him for all those years. And yeah, he's a really nice guy. If you go onto anything like YouTube and just search for The Undertaker interview, you will see there's lots of results. And it's worth a watch, honestly, it really is.
Right, guys, I can't believe I've seen this now on TikTok. Apparently, a penguin is just a bourbon biscuit wrapped in chocolate. Let's get it home and try it out. Right, so I'm back home now, guys. Let's get one open. Right, there it is there. Let's get it on a plate and straight in the microwave. 1 minute 20. And that is ready. Oh, my word. Look at... No way. Look at that. I told you.
How have I lived in the UK all of my life and not known this? How is a penguin biscuit just a bourbon? Is this even real? Hang on. I've got some penguins. Nah, can't be asked.
I'd like a room, please, and I want to go to bed now.
What, this is a hotel?
I'm an astronomer, you see. I'm hoping to sneak a look at Uranus later.
I've mentioned the Chuckle Brothers before, so if you're not from the UK, the Chuckle Brothers were a comedy duo from the sort of early 90s till about 2000, 2003, something like that. And they were a kids' TV double act. They weren't an adult act at all in any way, shape or form. The fact that they've done this is just brilliant.
Pills daily. Peace.
I mean, a part of me is like, okay, there is a guy who's on pills twitching on TikTok, which is primarily used by children. And another part of me is thinking, well, this has been taken back completely by the fact that this guy has his George from Asda t-shirt round the wrong way. Anyway, as I was saying, so yes, I don't know what I'm more concerned about. The fact that we've got a guy here on a app that's primarily used by kids, literally pilling his tits off, or the fact that any kid watching this will think, I am never taking disco biscuits. That is scary. I don't want to do that. More to the point, I don't want to be able to say peace like him.
Peace.
Right, honourable gentlemen, all up and then you put up taxes on inheritance and pensions and corporations. Right, honourable gentlemen, all up and then right, honourable gentlemen. Questions? Right, honourable gentlemen, all up and then right, honourable gentlemen, all up and then right, honourable gentlemen, all up and then what is it? You find right, honourable gentlemen, all up and then right, honourable gentlemen, all up and then right, honourable gentlemen, all up and then you put up taxes on inheritance.
Brilliant. Oh my god. I've just recorded this video now, and I know that when I upload it and people start watching it, I'm going to collectively feel every single man watching this go, oh, no. Nope.
Like what they think I'm gonna say, because most of the time they're wrong, and so just like to let me like finish my thoughts and sentences.
I'm sorry. When it's my time, please let me in. I don't mean it half the time. Honest.
This was the moment a steam locomotive hurtled towards the end of the line over a disused quarry in the Peak District.
Hang on. Was somebody remaking Back to the Future? And somebody thought the exact same thing as me?
Do your boobs hang low? Do they wobble to and fro? Can you tie them in a knot? Can you tie them in a bow?
Oh my god, that is so British. Well, I think we're going to leave it there, because my brain cannot handle much more. Thank you very much for joining me once again. If you like this video, then please do hit the like button, and most importantly, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because then I will get lots of people watching my stuff, and then I can expand and get bigger. And who am I trying to kid? Just hit the subscribe button anyway and see what happens, just for the pure hell of it. Anyway, thank you very much for joining. There'll be some more stuff coming out soon. I'm still going to try and keep releasing at least one video a week, may do 2 or even 3 one week, who knows. It depends totally on how I'm feeling on that particular day. But anyway, thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, and until next time, my friends, take it easy.